I should be back online now. I apologize. Wait, see if anybody else shows up. That was quite the internet issue. Okay. So I feel like the shoes are done now. And I'm gonna move on to changing the color of the pants. Maybe unwrap. Grab all, shrink it down. Putting it right here. Grab all the rest. Make it the other color. I apologize, viewers. Network decided to stop working. These I'm going to put here. Then these, I'm gonna shrink them down. Oh wait, these need to be in the bright green because they're my cool green overalls. Or overalls, green green suspenders, not overalls. Also, why am I not working? What's going on? Vinyan seems to have crashed. Give me a second. What is going on? Vinyan is not working. Oh god, what is... 1 second. Technical difficulties. Ooh. Tonight is not the night. Apparently. 1 second, let me... Task manager, Vinyan, what are you doing? End. It was just stuck. Okay. Let's try this again. Minimize. There we go. And my mouth. There we go. That was weird. That was more weird than the internet not working. There we go. I'm back. First try. First try. It's good. We're good. We're fine. It's fine. We're good. I'm going to... I need new colors. So I've got like a pastel... Got some light gray and stuff. Oh. Okay. I shouldn't have gotten rid of all of the textures right away because then now it's harder to see what I need. Okay, well, let's grab the inside of my... or the inseam of my pants. Inseam needs to be dark. I need to hide the body because it's just orange in here. Death by orange. There we go. Okay. How's everybody's night going other than my internet dying? Okay, let's do this. That should be here. Oh, that looks weird. You know what? I'm gonna get rid of that, actually. Because that looks really weird on the pants for some reason. Lakota, do you like my paw shoes? I think they look pretty cool. Okay, I need some more colors. So I need a more need a gray that is blue. Let's see. This color. That's I kind of like that. Maybe a lighter one, and then a darker one. Okay, let's try that. Let's grab. 1 second. It needs to not be here. This. 1 second. Grab all of that. Actually, let's make this like a pocket kind of color. That's not going to look like pockets. That's just going to look like weird chunks. That's not going to look good, but we'll try it anyway. Not bad. Not especially great either, especially because, like, 1 second. Let's move. Let's at least make it, like, so that they're on the same, so they're like the same distance, kind of. There we go. I'm going to put it on these pockets, though. Because these are my cargo pocket. Because cargo pants are cool. Having pockets is cool. Then grab, like, this needs to come out like this. Did it do it on the other side? Okay, it did. So I'm gonna do that. Second. I'm probably not moving these in the right direction, per se. They are... One second. G, X, GX, GX. There we go. Now I can put shadow on more of these. Okay. So let's grab... Oh, wrong one. Modeling. Okay, let's grab this face and this face. And this face and that face. And we can move those over here. There we go. Now we've got shadowy pockets. And if we do this on the X, no, on the Y inwards a little bit, and the Y. Oh, it would help if I grab both. Scale on the Y. Actually, no, just these ones. There we go. I should be able to grab this and that one and that one, and also move them here. There we go. Actually, no, that it looked better with the it looked better the other way because they were, it was like an actual color pop. There we go. Color pop, it really, you can really tell that it's showing. Otherwise, it didn't look as poppy, and I want it to be poppy. Yeah, they're more ankle guards than anything. Actually, technically speaking, they would be heel guards, because if we're going with anatomy, like if we like, second. If we look at this for a second, with the way that, so this would be your toes. This here is your toes, which means that this here is the rest of the foot, meaning this is your heel, which means this would be your ankle. Like this area here would be the ankle, technically speaking. So, if anything, it's a heel guard. Yeah. That's how those work. I do still need to make beans. I need to bake beans. Oh, also, something that I wanted to do, I wanted to change the color of the claws, because the claws do not pop. Actually, I could probably get away with making them that color, right? I think so. Go like this. Move them. That. I think they look fine like that, in black. I could make them green. I don't wear nail polish, though. Is that fine? Should they be darker? Yeah, opinion on paws and claws. I could make them green, but like that would be a little weird because the rest of my character's not green. I think the dark paws, no, they kind They look like pencil leads. They look like pencil leads. What color? I think they should be like more of a black color. So I'm gonna grab this. 1 second. Let me grab this. I'm gonna grab this color, and I'm gonna make a darker version of it. There we go. Make a darker version of it. Grab this. Grab these and move them to the side. That looks better. Thoughts on my toes? Issue now is that the way that the shoe is, the light is not hitting properly. That's bothering me. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. I'm just gonna leave it. It's fine. It is fine. Thank you, Lakota. I appreciate it. Okay, looking at my design, I have a lighter gray. So let's add a lighter gray, lighter gray, lighter gray. There we go. Now I'm going to add that lighter gray. Where do I have that? 1 second. I've got... So according to my sketch, lighter gray is like here. And like here. I think. That is too light of a gray. That's better. And then this apparently I wanted, whoops, this to be that color, like as if it was like the top. And then I wanted, what is it? I don't know. But I think that's what I wanted. These. These here, I'm gonna grab them and I'm gonna give them some thickness. So if I go here, add a modifier, solidify. If I just do that, and then if I apply modifier, second. Oh, how? Apply. Then now I have a thickness to it, so I can add another color. I'm just gonna make sure that it is the correct facing? It is. Okay. Correct facing. So that means that I can grab the underside. If I was, you know, in the right mode. Oh my god. What did I do? Oh, I turned this off. There we go. There we go. So, if I grab this, grab that, I can now grab that and put it dark color. So now it's darker on the inside. Do the same thing on the other side. Nope. Nope, not that one either. Come on. There we go. Grab that, put that there. And I can also grab some of these around the edge. Give them some darkness. Nice injection of darkness. Not that one. There we go. Honestly, yeah, that one could be... might as well just do the whole thing. Yeah, it looks better like that. There we go. Now I have that song stuck in my head. Oh, the ass one. No, but that one too. Not a music guy. Okay, well, you're welcome. I think this should be green. I don't know. Am I putting too much green? I fear there's too much green. Like, I want these pops, but I don't want too much of it. What is this? Oh, that's the, second. There we go. That was the pants. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's not working. It's not doing duplicate again. Remove. There we go. It did not want it anymore. No more, like, topology thing. Okay. That looks pretty good. I should technically put the shadow in the crotch, but then it just kind of looks like I peed myself. Like, if I put that in there, it just kind of looks like I peed myself a little bit. Just a little bit. Do 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 do. Do, 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 do. I love Cosmo Canyon's theme. It's really good. I'm sorry, why is there so much geometry here? Oh my god, it doubled up on everything, not just that one section? That's not good. Oh no. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Okay. Whew. Oh no, I still need to back up. Okay. Apparently the solidify thing was not only on the selected one. Yeah, it's the whole thing. Vertex group. I guess I could create a vertex group, so I'll do that. Where do I do that? I forget how to make a vertex group. Vertex groups. Assign selected. There we go. I'm glad I caught that when I did. I don't think I could have gone back like that much longer. Okay. Not too thick. Okay, so now that I have that there, let's apply. There we go. I'm sorry, what? No, I want this direction. There we go. And also this direction. Nope. Nope. This direction? There we go. So that one and that one. And that one. There we go. For those of you that don't understand what the issue was, just I caught something that would have been really bad. I basically doubled all of my polygons on the pants and almost screwed the pooch. What is going on now with this? This is weird. What's going on here? Something's not right. Oh my god, gotta back up, because apparently... Okay, what is... Why is this getting... It should not be doubled. It's not doubled, but up here it is. What's going on here? Why are these getting doubled? Oh, because these vertices are getting doubled. That's why. Group. Where's my vertex group? Select. I need to deselect those ones. Okay, 1 second. Grab this and this. So that's what the issue is. I'm glad I caught that too. So it's doubling these where it should not be. Remove. There we go. Fixed it. Perfect. Now I can apply it. I'm glad that it had a visual glitch because I would not have caught that. Okay. Okay, let's go here. We are going to mode simple, that's fine. Let's get out of this. Apply. There we go. Now, let's try this again. For the upteenth time. No. Oh my god. There we go. Now, let's grab this and move it there. There we go. All this for frickin' suspenders. Live a difficult life. Okay. So. And now we don't have the weird double layer thing here because we don't have doubled stuff. Okay. I'm not gonna put shading beneath this because it doesn't need shadow. Okay, and now the crotch should be a lot easier to fix. This. Okay, so let's move that here. And now we don't need to see through. Wait, why is that color off? What did I... Same color. Why is it not the same color? What is going on? What is this witchcraft? What is going on? That should be the same color. Why is it not the same color? That does not make sense. I mean, it looks fine, but it shouldn't be that color. What is going on? Why is this area, like, lit up? Why is this... Like, it's not the same color. It's the same texture. It should be the same. What's going on? Why is it not working? They're the same texture. It's so weird. Well, I'm sure it'll all come out clean in the wash. I don't know what is happening here, but I'm sure that so long as the texture is correct, I don't see why the color is wrong, but it should be fine. Actually, all of the colors are like very bright on this one suddenly. Is it emitting a color? No, it's got 0 emission. I don't know. That's interesting. Oh, that's why. Well, okay, well that's easy enough to fix now that I know what the issue is. Like, why is the color off? Shouldn't be off. So all of the stuff except for this. Okay, so 1 second. Grab everything, and those are already selected, so I can just grab this and deselect. And then mesh normal flip. That was weird. Why are they still pink, though? No, that didn't fix it. They shouldn't be pink, they should be blue. That's so weird. But I mean, they're not red, so it's fine, I guess. That's so weird. Strange. Yeah, the colors are all off. I feel like I hit a button somewhere and it just like changed the shading type. One second, if I grab the whole thing, just grab everything. And like, grab 1 second. No, it's not using like global illumination or anything. Weird. Interesting. Weird. It shouldn't be that way, but I mean, if it is, that's how it is. It'll be fixed later. Oh, this should not be that color. Okay, so I'm gonna fix this here. What? That was weird. There were 2 layers. The whole thing had I hope I didn't accidentally merge some stuff that didn't need to be, that wasn't supposed to be merged. Get rid of the body. Have to hide the body. New few places you can hide the body. Okay, I hope everything's fine. I don't think there's any... I'm gonna have to check in a second, but right now I'm just gonna do the colors now that things are back to normal suddenly. Oh, that is too much butt. Shadow should not be that much. Okay, that I can now change to this color. There we go. Colors are back. Fixed it. Now I need to check to make sure that, okay, that is not... Okay, those pixels, those vertices are not together. Those vertices are not together. Okay. Things are fine. Everything's fine. Nobody panic. Everything's fine. I'm sure everything's fine. Those could be, that though. There we go. Don't panic, I fixed it. Ah. Okay. There we go, that looks fine. There we go. Actually, quite like the straight line there, as opposed to what I was trying to do by straightening it out. It's growing on me. Maybe I make this section let me do this. That looks a bit better. Hmm? You laughing at me?
Always.
Again. Ah. I just could make an inseam. No, it's fine. I think that looks fine. Get a hint of shadow in there. I don't know. I don't want the entire... I find it looks weird with like the whole thing being dark. It looks fine on like my model, but like on the pants it looks weird. First things first, I'm gonna grab this here, move it back down. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna put an inseam on both sides, just for the shadow. There we go. Now it's in between the two. I think that looks better. That looks better. Okay. Okay, what now? So I wanted... I don't know. I think that looks fine. I'm gonna actually grab this. And this. And add that to this color. Actually, I'm gonna put it all the way around. Ooh, what if I was gonna say, what if I go around my tail? That'll look really weird. Actually, not that bad. Honestly. If I do this. Kind of mixing both things I was going to do earlier. Nah. Maybe get rid of this. Put it here. A lot of trial and error and just seeing what looks good. No, I think I'm adding too much. I'm gonna take it back a couple steps. There we go. I think that looks fine like that. Okay, and then I wanted this to have buttons on it. Second, how did I have this in the image? That didn't make sense. That doesn't make sense in the image. The pants don't make sense. Second. I'm gonna put second, shift 7. Oh, that's not the right angle. Shift 7. Oh my god. Can you not be in this perspective? Oh my god. Please? There we go. Shift 7. No. Control 7? Control 7. No. Control Shift 7? Okay, that's better. So extract or project from view. Gonna put that over here. We are gonna put one second. Okay, so got this color, got this color, I think. One second. Yep. And then I wanted that, and then I'm gonna grab this color and do a slightly darker line there. See if you can even see this. Oh, you can, and it's not bad. Oh my god. There you go. That's not bad. I think that looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna put some circles. A second. I'm gonna project from view. Control Shift 7. UV project from view. I've been talking behind my microphone this entire time. I hope you guys could still hear me. Oop. Let's go here. A second. Yeah. So this one is this color. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. And then I want, I'm just gonna grab this. Oops. Control C, Control V. But I'm gonna grab this and then go down just a little bit. Ah, there we go. It's a little too far that way, so I'm gonna go like that. I don't know why I grabbed this part here because I don't need it. I'm gonna grab this. Let's go here. Oh my god. There we go. Oh, okay. 1 second. I'm gonna go to a BRB so that we can order some food. BRB. Okay, I am back. I have ordered food. I ordered some katsu, some chicken katsu. Oh my god, why is it this angle again? There we go. This. Let's go unwrap. Oh my god. This one. I'm gonna snap to vertex. Nope. There we go. Works on both sides. Nice. Now, this. Okay. Okay. Unwrap. And then we've got this one. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I really wish that like the Wii eShop, or sorry, the Switch eShop had as good a song as frickin' the Wii shopping network. Like, oh, there's just no soul to the new one. It has no soul. It's just such a catchy, like, bossa nova-ish sounding, like, it's really good. Gonna go ahead and do this. And then the ones that are not in the right orientation, I will fix them. Just like my father wanted to do to me. Anyway, there we go. That's the last one. There we go. Some of these work and some of these don't. Some of those don't. This one is not. So this one should be UV mirror X. Nope. UV mirror Y. There we go. That one works. This one, that one should be mirror Y. UV mirror Y. There we go. This one is in the right place. This one's not. UV mirror Y. No. Oh, I didn't have anything selected. That's why. Mirror Y. There we go. Okay. These ones, though, are very stretched. So let's grab this corner. Let's grab this corner and just... right there. And then this one is gonna be... Oh. And then I just need to add a coat of paint. There we go. I'm gonna go here. This. There we go. Fixed. Ah. There we go. That's a little too stretched. What's going on here? There we go. That works. This one's a little stretched. go. You look fine. I think those buttons look nice. Okay. Do 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 do. Okay. Next, the shirt needs to be shown who's boss. Okay. Texture. Let's not do like we did last time. We're gonna add texture. We're gonna add the Fenton texture. And then we are going to grab these things one at a time and put them where they need to be. Ooh, I'm gonna change some stuff because I really do like this this light green. I want to add it to more things. I think it was supposed to be like this color, but we'll see. That the hell? Oh, package? It's like, how did the food get here already? I know. That's why I was like, wait, what was that? I mean, I'm expecting a bunch, but is that the displays? Our disc plates arrived. I know, but I just felt like telling everybody in class. Oh my god. Yeah, you think? Hammy's like, I think their printer's running out of ink. It's super faded. You can hardly see what it says on the paper. Yeah, I like this light green color, and I'm going to try to match it so that I can keep it in the design, because I do like that. It's like a nice pastel green. I'm just gonna put these in, and then I'm gonna change them later. Oh my god, stop. There we go. Okay, so those, where is, okay. They are being assigned to this. I'm gonna unwrap it. Shrink everything right down. Put it over here. That is going to go here. Continue the color there. So that's going to continue the shading from my arm. Because my shirt was actually made out of my arm. It's a very soft material. Actually, this whole inside part, I might as well put like that. Yeah. This is gonna be... This is gonna be part of this. This whole color here is going to be here. There we go. This here needs to be added to this texture where it's going to be grab that. Sorry, unwrap this. Grab it all, shrink it down. Put it in here. This and this, those are going to become that. This here is going to be assigned now. This is all going to be part of that. Assign. Maybe unwrap. Shrink it down. Put this right there. Okay. Next, this and this, that. Those are going to be unwrapped, assign, assign, shrink them down. But the bottom part is gonna be there. There we go. Looking good, looking good. Okay. Now, I don't know what color. I think I'm gonna go with the lighter gray for this. I don't know. Amy is chortling. I am concerned. Cool.
Why are you laughing at that thing?
I'm concerned.
Why?
Because. Tammy asks why I'm concerned. I said because. Okay. This is a lot of like individual selection, but that is fine. You know what? Circle tool. Forgot I had this. Circle select. This is why I don't often use it. There we go. This is starting to look, I mean, it's gonna look good. So, I don't want the light, I don't think I'm gonna want the lighter gray up here because, I don't know, I think it's gonna look weird with like a light shirt. But we'll try it. So we're gonna grab this, assign it to this. It's gonna be just pitch black for now. But we are going to grab, we're gonna unwrap, grab the whole thing, shrink it down. It's not bad. I don't want that one. A darker shirt. It does look nice with that gray. I think I'll use this gray because the lighter gray is just way too light. Here we go. All the way like this. I'm gonna have to fix it, but yeah, it's gonna be like this. And that's gonna be that. This here. Doesn't work. Ooh, that broke. Why does that not look the same here? Oh, because I went extra down here. There we go. That makes sense. Grab this and this, banish it. There we go. Unwrap, take it down. Go. That's a little too deep. There we go. Now, let's add more shading where there should be shading. Right there. Actually, right here too. Yeah. There we go, like this. I need to move these vertices in. There we go. That is like that. Next, we we are going to want to try something interesting. We have, let's add transparency, alpha clip. Transparency, alpha, texture, image texture. We're gonna add Fenton texture. So now, in theory, if I grab these, I grab this, and 1 second, let's do this one first. So we're gonna grab that. We're gonna go Control-Shift-7. Okay, whatever. Project from view. We're gonna make this a little bit bigger. Move this over here. Size it up a little bit. Actually, that should be probably smaller. That's a bit smaller, so size it down. So we're gonna do something interesting here. We're gonna try to use the transparency to our benefit. So this, we are gonna use the whiter gray for this. So let's grab that. What am I doing here? I have to go in here. There we go. So we're gonna grab this, which now I'm gonna grab the eraser tool and do that. And we're gonna grab this color. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna grab that, and we need a lighter one. We're gonna do this, and see how that looks. Backwards, but it's close. 1 second. We just need to flip that. So UV. Okay, first we're gonna grab this. We're gonna go size on the Y 0. Size on the Y 0. Size on the X 0. Size on the X 0. There we go. You probably didn't see much movement, but it did move. Mirror X. There we go. Now, if I do all of these, unwrap, and I grab them individually. Oh my god. Grab this and this one. If I do this, that looks like a zipper. Maybe it's a little too big of a zipper. I don't know. We'll see in a second. Actually, for the other side, we'll need the opposite so that it... No, you know what? I don't care that it's not going to line up. Or do I care that it's not going to line up? If we're doing giant Kingdom Hearts zippers, let's do it right. So we're going to make another one of these. This one here is going to be the same size as this. So this and this. They need to be the same size. So grab this. We're going to move it on the, oops, sorry, just this one. We're going to move it on the Z, on the X. Yeah, There you go. Right there. Also, yeah, I think the size of the zipper is comedically large enough. So for this, we're gonna do the opposite, where we have this here. Oops. This here. Second, can I highlight this one so I can see how they both match up? There we go. Hello? Did I... Yeah? Sync? That's weird. Okay, that's weird. Control save. Yes. Close this. Open this back up. I'm gonna save this as well, just in case. We're gonna go to UV. No, sprite, edit. Okay, hide. There we go. Now we have our things here. So yeah, we're gonna have this color here, and then we're gonna have this color here. And we're gonna have this color everywhere else. So, second. B. No, no, not that way. Like this. There we go. Because it's the opposite zipper. So, if I go back now, it's backwards, but it works. So flip mirror X. There we go. See? It works. It's clear and it yeah, that works. There we go. Oh my god. It's gonna take a while, but that's fine. We'll flip them all at the end. It's gonna look great. I'm gonna flip them all at the last second. It'll be fine. Right now it looks a little wonky, but we'll get there in the end. Okay. This is going well. These last ones are gonna be really tiny, but that's fine. Kingdom Hearts, the zippers don't need to make sense, they just need to be there. Okay, second. Where is... Oh, there we go. The last ones there, I'm gonna get rid of them because they don't need to be there. That and that. Let's get rid of those faces. Okay, so I'm gonna grab all of these. 1 second, I need to do this one as well. So it's gonna turn a little bit weird. Oh, they're not only backwards, they're also flipped upside down. Do this. And then I'm going to flip this. 1 second. Okay. Flip it on the X. There we go. That looks sharp. Now, if I grab all of these, grab all of them. Oh, what did I grab? What's that last one? That shouldn't be there. Anyway, grab all of these. You know, flip them on that axis, and then flip them again. The Y-axis. There we go. Closest. Oh, there we go. Now they're sharp. I need to fix something. Oh, no, I did not mean to click that. No, Bandicam, go away. Okay, there we go. I didn't put enough, top. No, there we go. Flawless. This one I'm gonna do first. Rotate. I'm gonna shrink it down. Oh my god, stop. Okay, let's do all the rest of these. I wish there was like a really fast way to just do them all at the same time. 1 second. Maybe if I grab all of those. No. If I had like multiple. 1 second. If I do every other one, can I like grab this, 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 this? And then I need that one. And like. Nope! Wait, what if I... Individual origins? No. No. No, no. Don't work that way. Okay. Okay, so... This... Just do it the old... the long way, because I know it's gonna work. Also, I'm not gonna toot my own horn, but like, that zipper looks really good. Actually, if I give them, like, a second. How's that look? Let's go here. That looks a little bit better, actually. I don't know, it looks a little too sharp. What do y'all think? This as opposed to this.
Split the difference.
Split the difference?
Yeah.
How?
We'll revert it to how it was.
Okay.
Oh, I see why you can't select that. No, I saw the color changes, additional pixels, not this one. Better. Actually looks like it's
Second. Let me pop this. Made a slight change. There we go. That looks better. I think that looks fine. Very aggressive, though. Okay, food is showing up soon. I'm just gonna finish the zipper, and then we're gonna end our stream here. I appreciate everybody for hanging out. I'm gonna quickly do this as fast as I can. But yeah, really liking the way that the zipper and I think everything is turning out pretty good. Not gonna lie. And yeah, there we go. This one too. And last one. I'll say it anyway. In a way. Take I think that looks fine. Okay. Thanks everybody for hanging out. I'm going to find somebody to raid now. Do I even have people to raid with? There's me and Hammy. Well, find somebody to raid quickly. Let's see. Who's streaming? Sync is streaming, so we'll go and raid Sync. SYNC Otter. Oops. Sync Otter. Anyway, thanks everybody for hanging out. Tomorrow we will be back with some Kingdom Hearts recoded. So I look forward to playing that tomorrow, and I know that a lot more people are interested in that than they are in this, but I get really excited about my about these streams because it's something that I really enjoy doing lately. Like, as I've been getting more and more into it, I've been really enjoying it. But yeah, oh, why did it not let me... Why did it not let me, Yeah, but my thing didn't show up. Raid has been created, but my raid does not show up. Oh my god. What's going on? Oh my god. Just /raid. Sync Otter. My raid thing is not showing. I can't actually...
It says you're rating on the Switch.
Anyway, thanks, and I will see you guys later. You already have a raid in progress. How do I unraid? Because the raid's not popping up for me. I can't actually do the raid. How much does it say the time? Did it already pop in?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
It did. Already came.
Okay, bye.